Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about how to use Moz SEO tool or software, and it's going to be part 3. And in the last video, we have discussed in the part 2, right, about top pages by links and then top linking domains. And also in part 1, we have talked about domain authority and these the remaining 3 aspects. Now I want to quickly scroll down and then I want to talk about discovered and lost linking domains in this particular video, and it is going to be part number 3. Now whatever the chart that we are seeing right here, this chart has labeled discovered and lost linking domains, and it will track the activity of new as well as removed backlinks to our website over the past 60 days. And I will clearly explain about the green bars as well as the red bars. Now first I want to talk about these green bars. Whatever the green bars that we are seeing right here, these green bars will represent new domains that have started linking to our website. Now for example, when it comes to Click and Capture Studio, imagine that by making an use of the Pinterest website, we have created an image, or maybe we have uploaded the image onto the Pinterest, and then we have given our website detail so that it will act as a backlink, right? And whatever the new backlink has been added from Pinterest website, the third party website, to our business Click and Capture Studio, it can be considered as a green link. I hope you clearly understand. Now I want to talk about the red bars. We can call these red bars as lost domains. And these bars will show the domains that previously linked to our website but not at the moment, which means maybe imagine that for the Click and Capture Studio, from the third party website, in their blog, they have given us a backlink to Click and Capture Studio. Maybe for some reason they have removed that particular backlink, and whatever the backlinks that are not currently active or maybe the lost are removed can be called as lost linking domains. And why this particular thing is very much important. First thing we have to consider about the backlink growth. If we have more green bars, it means we are gaining the backlinks, which is good for SEO, right? Always remember that gaining the backlinks from high authority domains will improve our site's credibility and rankings. And when it comes to the backlink loss, especially while we are losing the backlinks from high authority sites, it will definitely hurt the ranking of our SEO. So what we have to do, we have to investigate why the backlinks are being removed, and then we have to reach out to that particular website, and then we have to ask them whether do we have to improve the content of the blog which we have provided, or maybe if there are any broken links, and then we have to fix it accordingly. I hope you clearly understand how we can have a look at this particular chart, discovered and lost linking domains. If you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to comment down right below this video. And if you find my videos helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and in the next video we will talk about part number 4, where I'm going to discuss about these particular elements. And also, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where you can find 100+ videos that are related to digital marketing, which will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.